The more you pile into one system, the harder it becomes to manage and to troubleshoot when something goes wrong. Ultimately, your dependencies are buried. So small changes create big downstream risk. But the key point here is that when you add AI to a already cluttered architecture, it doesn't fix the architecture. It's basically like tossing a tube of glitter with a loose cap into your junk drawer. The simplest way to think about composable architecture is that it's taking one overloaded monolith and it's separating it into purpose-built functions. Decoupling the data from engagement means letting the orchestration layer handle all of that data prep. Let it be the place where logic lives. The hybrid model is probably going to apply to the vast majority of people. We already see a lot of our own customers doing this today.
Most people do not start by replacing their marketing automation platform, which might be the end result, but they start by reducing what that marketing automation platform is actually responsible for. So phase one is that data sidecar. It's actually the best place to begin because it basically draws on the question, where can you remove the messiest, most operationally painful work without changing the end user experience? And then right size activation. So once hygiene and logic are no longer trapped inside the marketing automation platform, you can make much cleaner decisions about what the map should actually do going forward.
Composability, it's not just a technical pattern. It is very much a governance and an operating model decision that you will make in your organization.
It's not about being modular for its own sake. The point is to build a stack that can adapt.